up all kinds of arrangements in respect of rest of the department, but there is deployment and rolling out on the ground would not be possible unless the
Sir, we'll establish a joint control room, as you know, sir, at Pahalgam, on the highway, one at station, sir, there the camps are established, sir. Next, sir, Shishta camping site, sir, fully covered with snow. Sir, the transit camps, sir, these are the facilities which any emergency will be kept available, sir. Besides, there will be the portable.
getting complaint कि आधा साफ है आधा खराब है the snow जैसे आपका शेषनाग है कोचपत्री का पितृ
This side will yes.
ये just a minute ये आता है you have to add any